Today we're going to unbox the LV08 and demonstrate how to operate it. This is the product manual. This is the device power cable. This is our LV08 main unit. It features a stylish and minimalist design with a high-quality finish. Now let's take a look at the specific operation. Connect the power supply to the miner. Once powered on, the screen will light up and display Lucky. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer, connect to the Lucky Wi-Fi network. After a few seconds, the browser will open the configuration page. Click the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the toolbar. Click Network Settings and select Wi-Fi. Automatically enter your 2-4 Wi-Fi network name and password. Click the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the toolbar. Click Settings to enter the mining pool page. Fill in the mining pool information, including the Stratum, address, port, wallet address, or username. Swipe down for the backup pool. After finishing your settings, click Confirm and then restart to complete the setup. All settings, deployment, and debugging of the device are completed. It runs in good condition and is ready for normal operation.